Welcome to the mining town of Odisha, an industrial and municipality based area in the Kendujhar district. Welcome to Joda. जय जगन्नाथ. This temple was inaugurated in 1998. यहाँ जगन्नाथ मंदिर के साथ महादेव, माँ लक्ष्मी और माता बिमला का भी मंदिर है. सारे राइट्स एंड रिचुअल के साथ पूजा होता है. Joda East Iron Mine. Tata Steel first discovered iron ore in 1909 and then work started from 1956 in Joda. Here the wagon is loaded and transported to Tata Steel plant Jamshedpur. A rapid release system created which was earlier named as bottom bin. This has been set up in 1958. Later it was FMP as manganese was produced, but now they produce alloy, namely it is FAP. Joda is turning into a modern township and with all civic amenities into reality. The presence of Tata Steel has proved. Being a small town, Joda enjoys different facilities like clubs, schools, market complex, cooperative society, recreation activities and even much more. All with badminton court, tennis court, card room, swimming pool, gym and nightclubs present. The Joda East Recreation Club, the Joda West Auditorium and the Valley Club presenting programs, festival and a good pastime for the localities. Joda High School, the first school started in 1963. Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir established in the year 1996 by the Shiksha Vikas Samiti affiliated to the Board of Secondary Education Odisha. Tata DAB Public School established in the year 2012 affiliated with the Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi. Along with the Joda East UPME School, Joda West Hindi School, Government Hindi High School, Tata Steel Primary School, and the other part of Hindi High School, Saint Teresa School, a Christian school established by the Roman Catholic Diocese of Baleshwar. It was established in the year 1971, providing education with the ICSE affiliation. Tata Steel has also provided medical facilities in the Joda region. It has adopted all advanced methods of treating patients and even handling biomedical waste by minimizing its ecological footprints. With the JCO canteen and the COVID hospital has been provided. Joda View, a place situated on the top of Joda, basically known for RMP office, raw material project, a part of Tata Steel Group. The helipad is just beside the RMP office. Tata Medicinal Park, a project by Tata Steel Group. Sir Dorabji Tata Botanical Park, again by Tata Steel Group. The domestic agricultural and industrial purposes need water supplies, and the RWH has been proved to be a sustainable option in solving the on-ground water shortage to a great extent. Here the rainwater is saved and used for future purpose. Tata Steel has been a pioneer in the development of sports in the country, especially football. To promote the region, football match exhibits here in Central Playground. Every one-to-one program are organized here in this playground. Vocational Training Center of Joda Group of Mines constitutes of Joda East Iron Mines, Khadwan Iron Mines, Joda West Manganese Mines, Malda Manganese Mines and Bambari Manganese Mines. VT Center was established by Tata Steel in Joda in 1976. Even the inter-school sports competitions are held over here. This is the badminton court of Joda East Township. The basketball playground, often known for the famous Durga Puja that takes place every year. A very crowded place to be known during those Dasera days. Dam pump. Joda Public and Tata Mines get the water supplies from here. The Sona River passes through, fulfill all the water needs. The economy of Joda mainly focuses on large-scale production of iron ore and manganese ore. This is the oldest known narrow bridge of Joda. Later, Tata Mines used this way through railway lines for mining purposes. So on the left, this is Joda bus stand, the main area of Joda. This covers the market area, the Indian Oil petrol pump, and all varieties of shops and stores present over here. The vegetable market availability of different kinds of fresh vegetables with seafoods and poultry items never gets shortened. Even fresh fruits never deals with shortage problems. The under construction area of Tarini Talkies is going to be the multiplex of Joda soon. How can one forget about the reason behind the Joda's existence? Joda Municipal Corporation, a municipality based area that completely take care of Joda locality, its cleanliness and its harmony. So with this, Nomad Wheels signing off. Ciao.
If I were to the sea, baby, I never say forever into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon